In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to record Blender using OBS Studio. First of all, go to your OBS Studio and click on Settings. In Settings, select Video and Base Canvas Resolution give you a 920 by 1080 and Output Scale Resolution give you a 920 by 1080. Common FPS value, select here 60 FPS for a smooth recording. Then click on Apply and then go to Output and select Recording. And here click on Browse next to Recording Path and select the location to save your recordings. And click on Recording Format, select here Fragmented MP4 file. Then click on Apply and OK. Now all you have to need, select the scene and then under Sources, click on this plus icon, select Window Capture. To record or stream Blender without black screen, we have to select here the window capture and then click on this window drop down and select here Blender and click on OK. And here, as you can see, my Blender successfully added to my OBS Studio. Now go ahead and click on Start Recording to record your Blender using OBS Studio. Once your recording finished, just click on Stop Recording, click on File, Show Recordings, and here you will find your Blender recording. Thanks for watching.